Today you learn what is possible with no-code development and AI, the top 5 mistakes to avoid based on our experience with clients, and what you need to be able to launch your own AI-powered web or mobile app. Our goal today is to give you some solid ideas about what is possible with no-code tools and AI, and what steps you can take to go on your own journey.
So let's start this off by busting some myths. Myth number 1, I need technical skills to build an app. Another quote from Adalo, the skill of coding prevents billions of people from bringing their ideas to life. In fact, only 0.3% of people can code today. We believe this needs to change. We believe anyone should be able to create an app regardless of their technical expertise, because a world where only 1% of people can solve problems is a world missing 99% of its potential. So to bust this myth that you need technical skills to build an app, we can use me as a use case. I have 0 technical skills as far as development goes. I've never written a single line of code, but I'll show you a few apps that I have worked on over the years. This is one. I owned a domain that was fitting for this specific city nearby Seattle. So I decided to put a directory together for the city. This was a Saturday night, bored in the office, and spent a few hours putting this together. And you can really see the power of rapid prototyping with Adalo. I outsourced somebody to fill a spreadsheet with all the organizations of the city. And then I created some nice visual overlays so that you can go and find all the organizations that you would want across all these different categories. So great example of a fast, non-technical build out. The app that I mentioned in my intro that I built when I was working at a restaurant is called Serve. So Serve was an acronym for Study Restaurant Variety. This is a tool that helps servers and bartenders to get up to speed with menus and quickly pass their food and beverage tests. Put this together over the course of about 6 months, I would say, and continued to improve it over the following year. A lot of work went into this, but this is actually what got me into the Adalo Experts program. One great thing about the Adalo Experts program is it's based on merit. So you create something amazing, you can get accepted in. So this was a lot of effort on the mobile side, and then it was coupled with a web dashboard. And this web dashboard would allow admin to perform CRUD operations. So that's create, read, update, delete. Basic database manipulation would allow the admins to do so across food items, beverage items, learning material, etc. So a great example of a non-technical app. I also put together an app called Learn Adalo. So before Adalo came out with their App Academy, now they have an awesome App Academy if you go to appacademy.adalo.com. But before that came out, I had a need to train a few people in Adalo. The only way I could do so was by sending them YouTube videos. So I was putting together a spreadsheet of all these different YouTube videos. I decided, you know what? Let me make this more impactful. Let's put together a web app on Adalo that they can go and access those videos from. So that's at learnadalo.org. And you will see a dashboard when you log in. This will allow you to create your free account on Adalo. It shows 3 introductory videos, and then it gets into a video library where I essentially just scraped all of the YouTube videos I could find related to Adalo, put them into my Adalo database, and then created a visual layer on top of that using the YouTube drag and drop component. And now I have an internal Adalo library, which was an awesome example of a no-code app. And also in this was the list of instructors. So there was a relationship between videos and instructors. I would add a video, and then I would also add in the instructor that created that video, so you could find videos by a specific instructor. I show those just to say, you can make some pretty good software using no code and can get to market with it. It can become the way that you start your company, whatever you need to do.
Myth number 2, I need a lot of money to build my idea. We're good advice here to really evaluate your resources. If you have more time than money, no-code tools like Adalo have a low enough learning curve that you can start learning to build by yourself. You can always get some hourly coaching from Adalo experts if you get stuck. However, if you have more money than time, you can hire an Adalo expert to build out the challenging parts or the complete app for you.
Myth number 3, building an app is hard. It does depend on the complexity of your idea. When you start building an MVP, complexity should be as low as possible while you test your ideas out. Your goal is to see if your solution resonates with your target audience. However, no-code tools like Adalo use a what you see is what you get editor. So it has many pre-built components that can be snapped together to create your MVP app. And you can simply drag and drop the components you need onto the screens of your app. So as you are building it, you'll be seeing exactly what your end result will look like.